Examine how the decline of traditional artisanal industry in colonial India crippled the rural economy. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. The decline of the traditional artisanal industry in colonial India severely affected the rural economy. This decline was caused by various factors, including British economic policies, the influx of cheap imported goods, and the loss of support from local elites. Body. The impact of the decline of traditional artisanal industries on the rural economy includes loss of livelihoods. Many artisans and craftsmen lost their main source of income, leading to widespread unemployment and forcing many to migrate to urban areas. Deindustrialization. The decline of local industries, coupled with the influx of cheap British goods, resulted in deindustrialization in rural India. Many small-scale industries closed as they could not compete with cheaper, better quality products. Agricultural dependency. With artisanal industries in decline, the rural population became more reliant on agriculture. This created a surplus labor force in agriculture, leading to fragmentation of land holdings and lower productivity. Increased dependency on agriculture made the rural economy more vulnerable to climatic changes and disasters. Erosion of self-sufficiency. Rural communities became dependent on imported goods, undermining their self-sufficiency and making them reliant on external markets. Loss of skills and knowledge. The decline of artisanal industries meant the loss of valuable skills and knowledge held by artisans. Drain of wealth. Spending on imported goods reduced the funds available for investing in local industries and infrastructure, hindering rural economic growth. Social consequences. Artisans, once respected, saw their social status decline, leading to the disintegration of traditional social structures and increased tensions within communities. Conclusion. The decline of traditional artisanal industries in colonial India had a devastating impact on the rural economy. British colonial policies worsened these issues, leaving the rural economy weakened and vulnerable.